When it was his turn and he started to pull the hand for back and forward like that, and that guy, there was no medicine, no like painkillers or anything. What happened? Football or what?
Yes.
Football? Really? Medicine? Jungle medicine, nah? And this is Duma Klein. Dumasla. What you just saw, this medicine has come from somewhere in the jungle. This is very typical thing here in Meghalaya, how people come to get well. They get the massage like you saw, and then they put the medicine in the place where the wound or hurt has been. This young boy has hurt his leg for a few weeks back when he was playing a soccer, and now it's the third time already that he comes here, and he has felt that it has become more better. I will also have my massage just after some time, so you will see how it looks.
Vâng. Rồi anh nhong sọt tật. Lấy mà.
What do you got?
Chào anh nhong sọt tật.
What do you got? Elena, what do you have there? A stick? Oh. Oh. Huh. Huh. Gotta wait for some time because mommy is taking the massage, so me and Elena we will enjoy some pineapple. I have always said that Meghalaya best pineapples. What do you say, Elena? Very good taste. Young. Very good. Pineapple also makes you strong. She's asking. That's the thing nowadays, she wants to only eat by herself. You cannot feed, you know, she doesn't allow. Oi, oi, cool. Oi, oi, cool. Oi, oi, cool. Oi, oi, oi. So guys, now is the time to get traditional massage here in Meghalaya in a local style. You will see how it's done. And one thing, he is very, very, very strong. Very strong. Gotta say that immediately you feel enlightenment in your body. That is a no joke at all. It's very, very strong hands, and the one thing is also I like it because he uses thumbs, you know. And when you use the thumbs, like not everybody like it in the way, but I like it because when you use the thumbs, like also when I massage somebody, I use the thumbs because it goes in the right place. It goes deep in the muscle. This should do like let's say every week, definitely, to get a relaxation and that you can open the body. So definitely like that. And then also he finds the trigger points, especially here on the back. He finds the trigger points nicely and presses them. So put the pressure there, so it opens the body nicely. Especially my tung shop is very paining when you know, you massage tung shop, or is it tung or whatever, my butt. It's very tight now. Very tight. That sounds quite weird, but yeah, on the exit. But he's a good massager. And gotta say also, I have been in so many massage places Thailand and Brazil and here and there in Finland also so many times, but gotta say that I find that here is the best massage, definitely like that. They know what to do and they have some magic also in their hand, could say like that. Especially in this place. There is it's like a family business. Father is massaging and also daughter is massaging. Both of them they are very good massagers. There's a trigger point on the feet. And when you find the trigger points, you actually feel, example, the whole leg like is vibrating when he presses for those trigger points. But that's the thing. Many people come in these massage places for their different problems, and then they have the skill also to bring the give the solution for the problem. I still remember one time when I came first time here actually in Meghalaya. I tried to find a massage place and I did find one place, and I was waiting for my massage turn, and then there was one guy who had his hand was whole broken. He showed me the x-ray, and he's like this part of the hand from the wrist, it was like totally cracked, and he showed me the x-ray, and then he was lining for the massage, and I was like, for what reason you came here? And then he said that I came to get the help. I didn't have any idea, because I was like, this is a massage place. The hand is like, it's like a spaghetti like that. I was curious to see like what the traditional healer will do. And he started to, when it was his turn, and he started to pull the hand for back and forward like that. And that guy, there was no medicine, no like painkillers or anything. And that guy, I was wondering how come how he was still on his sense, because imagine the bone is cracked and somebody's pulling back and forward for that hand, how you will feel. So anyway, he was pulling it and then he was putting it back, and then he put some jungle medicine, and then the massager said, that's it, come next time next week. So people come with the different problem and wounds and this and that for these massage places, and this has been running for, I think, for hundreds of years. But here in Meghalaya it is still existing. That is very interesting. In my mind was only like that, what are you doing here? You need to go for the doctor, and you need to put some metal plates there and surgery and this and that, so you will get your hand fixed. But it was no, I came here in on the massager and they will fix it. I was like, all right, interesting. That was a shocking moment for me. Goes deep in the muscle when you press with the thumb. And my opinion also, when you do massage, it need to be a little bit, it need to hurt a little bit. Otherwise, what it does, nah? I like it. Feels good. Feels good. I bring my mother here, and she had like a long time on her leg that the leg was like a numbing. The leg was numbing. And when his daughter was massaging her, that numbing left on the body. That's what she was very happy. She was very, very happy for that one. Magic in the hand. Pure Khasi massage, man. So now, because I'm taking the whole body massage, so now we're taking the hands, shoulders, like that. Especially now when I go to the gym. So it feels good to free your body, lighten your body like that. So this is the oil what they use for massaging. And there is a slightly smell of like I think it's a mustard oil. And then there is something else. Color is red, and then there is slightly like a eucalyptus, like a mint type of smell, no? Like that. That goes deep. That goes deep. That is also very tight. I think after this massage I'm smart again. Can think nicely. Wow. Kublai Shibun, thank you very much. Now I feel good. You feel red here and see red here and there. Very good massage. Here in Northeast India, Meghalaya, Khasi way of massaging, guys. If you ever need a good massage, lightening your body, 110% I recommend to go and try. If you have some problems in your pains in your body, and if you're visiting Meghalaya, there is plenty of places where people do massage. This place is in Dulong Nar, and if you want to also reserve your time, it is here, ma. Okay, here is there is a Kuntei and Sungrang. That is the numbers, ma. And here's the massagers, right, ma. And I just show you, I just show you exactly where is the place. So then, if you come here, if you come from Nompo side, you come from that side, nah. You come from there. Here is this one shop, and the massage shop is here. Okay, Hangne Sumar, like that. And if you come from Shillong side, it's nice actually. You can just come from this U-turn place here, nah. And shop is here. Great massage, like that only. Oh, we got also some traditional medicines, jungle medicine from this and that. So that is also found here.